Hey guys, it's Jacob. This is going to be my first video on the channel. I'm going to be talking to you about the Pythagorean Theorem. In addition to tutoring videos, I'll also be posting videos on stress relief and time management to help you get through your school year a little easier and without as much mental strain. Anyway, let's get right into it. So you'd probably have an example problem such as this on your paper. Well, you would solve it using this simple formula. The formula for the Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now, it's actually quite simple once you understand what to plug into it. So, it's essential that you understand that the base is a and the height is b. Now, going from there, we're going to do a very simple plug and chug down here. Always remember to write the formula out if it's your first time. If it's your first time or one of your first times trying out a Pythagorean theorem problem, because it'll help you learn easier and you'll just get used to putting the formula down. Anyway, so we're going to do a plug and chug and put in 8 squared plus 6 squared equals c squared. We are then going to rewrite that with c on the left side of the equal sign. So c squared equals 64 plus 36. If you're confused as to how I got that, it's because 8 squared is 64 and 6 squared is 36. So let's get on with it. If you add those up, you get 100. So then you would have c equals 100. Well, the opposite of c squared is going to be the square root of c. So we're going to take the square root of c, and let me write that out a lot neater for you guys. Sorry about that. We're going to take the square root of c squared and the square root of 100. Now, that's going to get us c equals 10. That's going to be your answer. Now, you may be wondering, there's no c up here on this side of the triangle. It's an x. Well, yes, but variables can be expressed in many different ways. So the c is also going to be the x. So that means that if you were to write out this triangle, it would look like this. And that's how you solve a Pythagorean theorem problem. Bye!